Your nervous system has probably been running a program on repeat for a very long time. Scan, tense, brace, repeat. You didn't choose it. Life chose it for you. But you can choose to let it go. I'm a certified hypnotherapist, and in the next 20 minutes, I'm going to walk your nervous system through something it's been waiting to do and probably forgot how to do on its own. We're not bypassing anything. We're not replacing tension with a mantra. We're going into the body, finding where that bracing lives, and finally letting it release. Let's begin with one slow breath. Breathing in through your nose, as deep as feels comfortable, and out through your mouth with a soft sigh, the kind of exhale your body makes when it finally gets permission to stop holding. Again, in slowly, filling your belly, your ribs, your chest, and out, even slower this time. Feel the exhale doing the work. You don't have to force anything. Each exhale is the body's natural release valve. You're just giving it permission to open. Now bring your awareness into your feet. Just notice them. Are they tense? Are they holding on to something? Whatever you find, just notice it. And on your next exhale, let it go. Let them feel heavy, warm, connected to the floor or the bed. Let's move up to your ankles, your calves, your shins, and notice any holding. And as you exhale, let it go. Inhale and notice your knees, your thighs, all the tension from standing, walking, bracing. Exhale and let it go. Inhale and notice your hips. This is where a lot of bracing lives. The fight or flight energy gets stored here. Take an extra breath into your hips. Exhale, let them soften. Let them open and release. Inhale into your lower belly, your lower back, the muscles that have been holding you upright, holding you together. Now as you exhale, you can let that tension go now. You're supported. You're safe. Breathe into your chest, your upper back, the space around your heart. This is where worry sits, where anxiety tightens. Breathe into it. Exhale and let the armor soften. Breathe into your shoulders. Drop them completely. Imagine them melting away from your ears. Gently breathe in and notice your neck and your throat, the place where words sometimes get stuck. Exhale and let them go. Move to your jaw. Unclench it. Let your teeth part. Let your tongue rest and fall back a bit. Your eyes are heavy now. the tiny muscles around your eyes, your temples, your forehead, they all soften. Let every expression you've been holding on to smooth out and release. Your whole face relaxes, soft and still. Now imagine your nervous system as a vast network of light running through your body. Every nerve, every pathway, every connection. Imagine it lit up. And right now, in this state of rest, that network is beginning to shift. Imagine the color of tension. Maybe it's red, maybe it's orange, maybe it's a very tight electric white light. Now watch as that color begins to change, starting from the top of your head and flowing down slowly. The color shifts. Perhaps it's shifting from red to amber, and then from amber to blue, and from blue to a deep, calm indigo as your whole body is lit up with this beautiful, calming indigo light. This is your nervous system downshifting. It's moving from fight or flight into rest and digest. It's moving from sympathetic to parasympathetic. It's moving from doing to just being. Your body already knows how to do this. It's been waiting for the signal, and you're giving it that signal right now. I'm going to count from 5 to 1. With each number, the downshift deepens. 5. Tension relaxing from every muscle and every nerve. 4. Your breath finding its slowest, most natural rhythm. 3. The body is heavy and the mind is light. 2. So close now to the deepest release. 1. You've arrived. Your nervous system is calm. Your body is at rest. And from here, everything is possible. Now let's do the part that most people skip. Let's actually talk to the places that are still holding. Here's something that most guided meditations won't tell you. Relaxation is not the same as release. You can relax your muscles for 20 minutes and still walk away with the same tension waiting underneath. Because tension isn't just physical, it's stored. Every time that you pushed through something hard, every time you didn't have time to process something, every time you had to be strong for someone else, your nervous system logged it, and it's been carrying that log around ever since. The difference tonight is that we're not just relaxing the body, we're giving the nervous system a new instruction. We're clearing that log. You can let go now. You're allowed. The threat is over. Because for your nervous system, the threat never ended. It just learned to live with the alarm on. And tonight, we turn the alarm off. Scan your body one more time. Find any place that's still holding, even if it's just a little. Maybe it's a knot between your shoulder blades. Maybe it's a tightness in your chest or a clenched jaw. Wherever it is, go there. Now, instead of trying to relax it, I want you to acknowledge it. Say to it silently, I see you. I know you've been protecting me. I know you've been carrying something for me. Thank you. You can let it go now. I'm safe. And on the next exhale, feel that place soften. Not because you forced it, because it finally heard you. Now scan again. Is there another place? Go there. Same acknowledgement. Thank you. Same gratitude. Same release. You can let it go now. I'm safe. Keep scanning. Keep releasing, because every exhale is another layer, it's another permission, and it's another part of your body coming to rest. And now, from this release state, we give your nervous system a new baseline. Feel that calm. Feel what it actually feels like in your body right now. This is not forced relaxation. It's your natural state. Underneath all of the bracing, your nervous system was designed to return here. It just forgot the way for a little while. So let's remind it, this is home. It's how you're meant to feel, not occasionally, but by default. And now imagine a dial in front of you, like a volume dial, and it's labeled baseline tension. Right now, that dial is exactly where it should be, at 0. And you're going to set it where you want it. Not forced to 0 all the time, that's not realistic, but low enough that you can move through your day without bracing. Now turn that dial back. Set it. That is your new normal. Your nervous system is taking the instructions now. My body knows how to rest. Calm is my natural state. I release what is not mine to carry. My nervous system is safe to downshift. I give myself permission to let go. Every exhale is a release. Every inhale is a reset. The alarm is off. The threat is over. I am safe in my body. I am safe in this moment. I carry this calm with me always, no matter what my day holds. I can return to this state anytime. Just one breath and I'm here. My nervous system trusts me now, and I trust it. Now I want you to place one hand flat on your belly. Feel how it rises and falls with your breath. This, right here, this feeling is your reset button. Anytime you feel the bracing start to return, put your hand here on your belly and take 3 slow breaths in. Your nervous system will remember this and it will downshift. It will come home. Anytime you need it, just place one hand on your belly and take 3 breaths, and you reset that dial. I'm going to count from 1 to 5 now. When I reach 5, you'll open your eyes, fully awake, fully present, and carrying this new baseline with you. 1, feeling refreshed, energy moving through your body. 2, your muscles waking up, warm and loose. 3, your mind clear, your focus sharp. 4, almost back. The calm is still with you. 5, eyes open, fully here. Your nervous system has a new normal now, and you did that. Type REBOOTED in the comments, and that tells me, and more importantly, tells your body that you're choosing this new baseline for real. This is your new normal. Come back to this hypnosis whenever you need a reset. It works faster and faster each time that you use it.